Dr. Liu here from Klinik Dr Inder. Today I'll be talking about FractionalC02Laser. So what is FractionalC02Laser? So this is a laser that creates microablation through microspots on the face, and this will trigger wound healing as well as new collagen formation, which will eventually bring you a more youthful skin and as well as improved skin texture. So who is suitable for this laser? For those who experience acne scar problem and those who want skin rejuvenation, like want fine line reduction or wrinkle reduction, as well as you want to improve your skin laxity, and those who have history of sun damage are suitable for this laser. It is advisable to not have any sun damage 2 weeks before, and also to avoid any retinoid product as well as any product that can cause any clotting delay, such as warfarin and aspirin. Before the procedure, you will be putting a numb cream for about 30 to 45 minutes. As the laser energy microbeams penetrate your skin, it will break down the skin tissue through the epidermis. Your body will naturally heal, and during the process, creates new tissue to replace the affected area. After the procedure, you might experience mild redness and mild swelling over the face, but don't worry, it should subside within the next few hours. As time goes on, the skin continues to clear as it stimulates the newly produced collagen for a firmer and more youthful skin. So what are the do's and don'ts after this procedure? Apply cold hydrating mask for the next few days to cool your skin down as well as to keep your skin hydrated. Always apply moisturizer and remember to apply sunscreen before you go out. Avoid excessive sweating or exercise. This downtime will take about 5 to 7 days, depends on individual. If you guys have any questions, please do not hesitate to drop us a message or visit us at the Klinik Dr Inder for free consultation.